Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, my name is Emily Keller, and I am a Salesforce consultant working at Solved, and we're here to help you automate your business. Today in this video, I'm going to walk you through 2 easy ways that AI can save you time while working with flows. So as a Salesforce admin, you probably spend a lot of time in the Flow Builder, and so these 2 tips can help you to save time and be more effective in your day. So first, there's 2 prerequisites. You need to turn on generative AI in setup and verify that Data 360 is provisioned and enabled in your org. So the 2 ways that I am going to walk you through is first to build a flow from a text prompt, and then second to summarize a flow. So let's step over into a demo org that I have here and walk through how you can build a flow in the sandbox. So as you can see here, what you'll do is you'll just click new for a new flow. And then here you'll see this Let Einstein Help You Build. And then you can click Get Started there. Here I'll give you a little bit of instructions and have a couple sample instructions. I'm just going to use one of these that has you create a flow that starts when an account is updated and copies over the account's phone number and related contacts. So I'll click Draft that. While this is loading, I think it's important to call out that you want to make sure that you review anything that is created through Einstein, through any AI. You want to make sure to do a lot of debugging there. I've also found that this is better on fairly simple prompts. If it's too complex, it seems to run into some errors. And so you'll definitely want to start this off simple, but it's a good way just to start your flow, and then you can go through and modify. So as you can see here, this flow was created using generative AI. You can see here that we have the flow, and then here in your Einstein window, you can see the instructions that you have. You can click Start Over. You can also edit these instructions to add additional requirements there. But this is just a very handy way to just get started with the flow, kind of get the basics down there, and then you can go through and modify further. The second way that we can use AI to help save us time is through summarizing flows. So in a lot of cases, in Salesforce orgs, there's a lot of managed package flows or flows that just can't come in Salesforce, and a lot of times they're ones that you haven't built. So here's an example of one that's just from a managed package. And here you can click Summarize in your Einstein window. So you're actually just going to come here, click this Einstein, click Summarize Flow. And what it will do is it will review this flow, and then it will give you a summary of what is happening. This is super helpful with flows that you're not familiar with, that you want to get to know a little bit more. You can also change the length if you want, and you can add it to the description of the flow as well. This just helps save you time to determine if this is a flow that you'll want to use, or just have a better idea of what flows are in your system. So I hope these 2 easy ways were very helpful for you, that you'll be able to save time by utilizing AI. Feel free to subscribe below to find additional ways to save time by utilizing AI. Thanks.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.